Where's what? You know, that's not the cleanest to do that with. I have to clean the floor today. Sis. When you have these two obstacles, you have the tripod and the lighting system. Mommy! What?
Mommy, where's the iPad?
Where's the iPad?
Where's it?
Where did you leave it?
It's on the living room.
It's in the living room? Okay, go get it.
Hey guys, okay, so I actually just had coffee with one of my girlfriends, Karen, which was great to catch up with her. Maddie had to do some work this morning, and now it's lunchtime. This girl has to be napping soon. So we are at McDonald's. I'm doing a post that they have breakfast all day. Of course, as I was about to shoot this video, Victoria picks up her brother's gun and starts shooting. Are you shooting me? Oh, Daddy. So we are going through McDonald's right now to get this, and that's it. All right, so Victoria and, oh, Daddy took the black car, the white car, so we're taking the black car. All right, here we go. So Victoria and Mommy are heading to the market. Can you get down? Matt went out. Mommy! What? Matt went out. We're trying to get some stuff done before the boys go home from school. We're going to have some chicken tonight with potatoes and carrots, which is actually one of my favorites. Super duper easy meal. What? No, we got to go. Come on, say bye. Okay, bye.
Mommy!
Come on, let's go. No, we got to go. Come on. We got to be back by 3. Oh, life is so difficult. Is life so difficult? Come on. Come on, let's go.
So I'm not a lover of cleaning. I mean, who really loves to clean, right? But I'll tell you right now, I just cleaned the boys' bathroom, which I have to share with them. It was nasty as you can't believe. I mean, the boys just don't, I had like almost a full bag of trash. Oh my goodness. Trying to get everything clean in this house. It's not easy. Let me see. Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday nights, the boys have swimming. So Matt or I usually take the boys. Tonight was his turn to take them, so I'm doing dinner tonight. So I need to show you how amazing does this chicken, potato, and carrot. And I made cookies too, as an aside. But I have to show you. And this is not at all. I did not do a campaign with Campbell's. This has nothing to do with. I have to show you what I made because I am obsessed with these Campbell's oven sauces. They have also ones for crock pots. I mean, I did the classic roasted chicken. I have to tell you, it is insane. It is so good. It is so delicious. It is so easy. I literally put chicken breast, carrots, potatoes. I drizzled this over the top. I popped it in the oven for 45 minutes. Done. And look at how good it looks. And I actually did a double batch because we have 7 people in our family. But how amazing does that look, right? So I'm anxious for the kids to get home because it's 8 o'clock. It is late nights, but I want to make a hearty, delicious dinner, and I did. Quickly. Thank you, Campbell.
What?
Mommy!
How? Are you playing with your dollhouse?
No.
Yep. Is that the refrigerator?
No, that's the fridge.
Oh, it's a fridge. This is the best thing that we got you, huh?
I broke it.
Lundby dollhouse. Yeah, I can fix it. You took that off earlier. Such a pretty dollhouse, Lulu. This is so different than all the boy toys we used to have in this house.
I fixed it.
Oh, you fixed it?